This is our hotel in Edinburgh, Scotland. It's called the Brewdog. You can see there's a terrace. You can drink beer and have dinner, lunch, whatever. And the room inside is also very cool. Here's a terrace of the hotel. You can drink beer here. This is a really nice place.
No, you're right first time. I'm thinking.
This is our room. Here has a guitar. When we checked in, we got a free beer. And here, wow, interesting. And here has a bed. Here's a beer dream. Just in time. And here, of course, wow. Okay, here is a bathroom. Quite interesting. This, I think this is a shower place, but it's just right out of shower, we got the shower beer. Actually, you can turn on the light beer dream. It's in red.